Hey guys, I've got a Whirlpool Cabrio washer and dryer matching set. This one's just getting started on its heavy duty cycle. Everything's set to high. Takes about an hour for this cycle to run. I've got a really heavy load of jeans and towels going. And this machine auto senses how heavy the load is, how much water to use. So it spins and goes through a whole sensing portion, and then it knows exactly how much water to use and all that. So wanted to give you a look at it so you can see it does in fact work like it's supposed to, and it adds all the water. And this is not one of those real low water machines. This one uses an appropriate amount of water without overdoing it. Clothes get real clean. So anyway, I'm gonna let it run through its cycle here. Right now it's working on soaking, and then it'll go to wash, rinse, spin, and it'll be done. So we'll come back for a couple of those cycles, and of course I'll show you that spin cycle. Okay, and it just went through its first wash cycle, and now it is getting that water out. So you can spin it nice and fast. And then it's going to move on to the rinse cycle next. And I just wanted you to see that initial spin there. These things spin nice and fast. Do a really good job getting those clothes clean. So we'll come back here. And this is about as fast as it's going to spin. Nice and smooth. Sounds great. Looks great. So I'll go ahead and let this finish up, and then I will show you the dryer. Alright, now this is finished up. That's nice and cleaned out. Excellent shape, as you can see. I've got those clothes going in the dryer. Heavy duty, just the highest heat setting. Right here is your lint trap that pulls out. And here on the door, huge capacity on both of these guys. Let that going. Just hit go there for you. As you can see in here, it works great, sounds great. Not off balance or making any weird noises. All things that you would want to check, and of course that I test for. So this set here is in excellent shape. We'll get it listed up for sale. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The last thing I'm going to show you here is that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So that little red dot gives you the surface temperature, whatever I shoot it on there. Just going to show you, shooting it in there. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. So we'll throw that back together there. It's good to go. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.